Okay, so there's 2 more days left, and then I walk to Durban. I'm very excited. So excited. I'm so nervous. My heart has skipped a couple of beats already. Um, but yeah, 7:30 I will be on the road, and 8 o'clock I will walk. So it's very exciting. At least I won't be walking the day alone. The first day, I've got a lady named Christelle, and she's going to be with me for that day. So that is going to be very nice, not to be so lonely. But yeah, a couple of setbacks, which is the support drive, I think, the support vehicle. That is a big setback because I'm going to have to leave so many things behind. But it's okay. Um, it is how it is. And then, of course, my tent never came, so I don't think I'm going to even get that in time. But I've got a sleeping bag, so yeah, at least I'm going to be warm, I hope. It's nice and a comfortable sleeping bag. And then, yeah, I hope you all going to be following me on this journey because it's an exciting journey. I hope you're going to learn about tyrosinemia, what it is about, get more involved. Hopefully, this encourages people to definitely get more involved when it comes to rare diseases. Because today is my little girl, my little grandchild, and I pray not, but you never know. It's like I didn't ever think that this could happen to my little family. I never thought we'd ever have to deal with something like this. I mean, you see it, you read about it, you hear about it, but nah, not in your family. Nah. But anyway, it does happen, and it happens unexpectedly, and it hits you like a ton of bricks. So yeah,